Thank you for creating this, because
You explain things very well. You break it down to a very basic concept.
And all of your like case examples and going like back and forth, showing the actual DEs.
It's been the closest to what I do in a day job in terms of the way you've taught it and what you've based the examples on.
You've laid it all out. It's easy to follow from the basics to the more advanced.
The level of information and how structured it is fantastic. Now already I understand so much more.
That's where I saw the true benefits, what was actually inside the community.
What you're doing is amazing, and I love being part of this community.
AMPscript Academy taught me so many things.
One of the most valuable parts of the academy is the community.
If it wasn't for you teaching these kinds of classes, I think a lot of people would be lost.
It has exposed me to a new world when it comes to AMPscript, SQL, as well as SSJS.
This is why I wish I knew about AMPscript Academy like a long time, not just now.
Every day I was putting 1 to 2 hours. It was excited to learn.
It's my pleasure having to join the class.
I really loved how practical and step-by-step everything was explained.
This course is for anybody, whether they have a technical background or not.
People know where the quality is. And when someone knows, someone knows.
It's worth of paying money. Like many people ping me on LinkedIn. I told them that it's worth of paying.
Someone who helps every time and providing feedback
made a massive difference. And so within 2 months, I had landed my first role.
It's really helped me on my journey, and I think I'm doing well right now at my new job.
It's been the most kind of holistic way to learn Marketing Cloud that I've come across. And it's worked, it's worked. I went from not knowing much to feeling 10 times more confident with what I'm doing.
So far, I have not found anything like this on the internet. Nothing.
If you're working in SFMC and you want to go from I can make it work to I understand how it works, I'd highly recommend this course.
And when I look back, that was my best investment to invest in AMPscript through Academy.
It's not just a course, it's a career accelerator.
For anybody who's, maybe intimidated by learning a new coding language, and they've been thinking about joining the course, I said, don't let that stop you. Don't be afraid.